Going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this would be a little short sweet video. Just want to help all the 04 plus guys out here that have issues with the back power door lock not working. So there's a couple reasons why it won't work, and we're going to go over that and how to go about fixing it. So I might have to use the other side. Go on the other side real quick. So, actually, let me get that piece. First, you got this piece right here. So this is what holds the door shut. Usually, sometimes these go bad. And the first signs will be, this will be hard to push up and down. So if that ever happens where this doesn't want to go up and down smooth, it's kind of like hard to push down, you got to replace this part right here. So what you do is, this is how it goes in. It's held on by T30s. So you take the 3 T30s out, okay? And then, don't worry about the harness plug yet. But what you do is take this off first. You're going to unclip this. It's not going to look like this one. I recommend if you get another one, use the one that's already on the one you're going to take off, because that clip is easier to put back on. But it's kind of self-explanatory. You pull that tab, and then this right here controls this door handle. Okay, so you undo that one first. Then once you do that one, you're going to want to this one right here, that is going to be for this door handle right here. So you're going to be able to, once you unbolt this and then pull that out, you're going to be able to swivel it. So it's like Captain Hook on. So it goes, let's lay that share quick. So the rod's going to look like this, okay? And it's going to actually hook inside like this. So what you're going to do is just take this and go like that so you can get it out. And then once you do that, you got one more, which will be this one right here, okay? And that's for this lock right here. So the way that goes in, if I can remember, it's going to be like this. So it's going to be hooked. This fixture, it's going to be hooked like this, but it's going to be the other way, like that side. So what you're going to do is just take this, and you're gonna dangle it out of there. And then once you did that, then you can pull this out, and then it'll be a harness right here. You pull the tab up, and then you push it out. So that's that. Now the other way, other reason why that lock won't work would be the wiring harness. I'm gonna stop the video right here, and I'm gonna show you a picture of what it looks like, what happened to this one. So as you can see, that harness was rubbed off from opening and closing in the door. So what you would do, okay, get some light action up in here. You need to take this off. So this will easily pull this rubber sleeve back, and then you're gonna have a harness that clips into the frame. So there's gonna be a clip up here, here, in the back, and then here. What you do is you just push the pins in. Start back here first. Put your finger back here. Pull that pin. Take a flathead, push that pin down, and then pry this up. Push that pin in, and then push this pin out, and then that'll come out. And then you'll be able to disconnect the harness. And then in here, same thing. You got to get it from the backside and just pop the clip out. Once you do that, just pull the whole harness inside the door panel, and then there'll be a harness right here that goes to this switch right here. Pop that out, and then you'll be able to get the whole harness out. And then you'll be able to see if that wire is cut, because it rubs right here in this door part. Inside there, that's where it rubs itself. Now when you get the door panel off, okay, and well, how you take the door panel off? Literally open this door handle. This should pop right off. Like so. Okay. Pop that off. Take a flathead screwdriver right here. Pop this piece off. Use a 1/4 inch, 10 millimeter deep well socket and like a socket screwdriver, because it's really tight in these holes. And it's gonna be a 10 millimeter bolt here and 10 there. And once you get that out, start right here, just prop that out, and then just pop it all the way around. And then once you pop it all out, lift up, because you want this to go over this, and then the door panel will come right off. And then it's just reverse install when you put it all back together. As you can see, I haven't done this too many times. See, I just go back like you never took it apart. So that's that. So I hope that helps. I tried to go as detailed as I could. And also found her coolant leak was this right here. This goes on the top of the heat exchanger. I had a spare one, so I used that. It's that bolt right there. It's probably not going to want to focus, but it's that one right there. Yeah, that one right there. That's where it was leaking from. It did here. I come outside, it was leaking here. And come to find out, all I had to do was tighten this a little bit more, and now it's not leaking anymore. So finally got all these leaks covered on her intercooler. So it's all out now. So just putting it all back together. But that's all I got. I figure I'll share a little info for y'all, but hopefully that's some good info for you and it helps you out. So I'll catch you on the next one.